Hello again, I'm Grady, and today we're going to discuss common legal forms for everyday personal use. For us here in the United States, legal forms are the bread and butter of every official process. By official, I mean the process that can be legally enforced. For companies, this might include an agreement with their consumers that relieves the business of liability for various consequences of product misuse when delayed payments should accrue a late fee, or when an employment contract must be renewed. For individuals, legal forms are required or heavily recommended for a wide variety of processes and actions. For example, granting authorization for a minor's medical treatment or for them to go on a school field trip abroad. Regardless of the situation, let's discuss some of the most common everyday forms that you might need to get through anything life can throw at you. For simplicity, we're going to break this list into categories. A request is an official letter or form that's asking for something to happen. This can be something such as requesting an arrest record to be expunged, a waiver of court costs, a reduction in child support payments, the repair of something within a rented space, permission to sublease proof of residency for school enrollment, and more. While a request is akin to asking for permission, a notice is a declarative statement which can also be seen as a demand. For example, a notice could notify someone that they wrote a bad check and must pay it. They have a limited amount of time to pay their rent. A landlord illegally entered a rented space. The notice of petition for a name change, or even a notice to fire a landscaping professional. An agreement, unlike the previous two, was arranged and discussed prior to the document's creation or completion. Agreements can cover topics such as childcare in case of a nanny or a daycare, care of the elderly at home, or a senior care facility. They can also cover things such as housekeeping services, sharing property, keeping property separate, joint purchases, and so much more. A letter of complaint empowers individuals to voice their distaste of a number of things. A complaint might come from a neighbor due to loud music or uncumbering behavior, a restaurant patron who discovered a foreign substance in their food, an unhappy citizen to the local mayor about problems in the community, or parents dissatisfied with school updates. While it might sound like an oxymoron, a release releases an individual from their rights and/or their responsibilities given a specific context. For example, if child support goes unpaid, a mother and stepfather may file a petition to release a father of his parental rights. Additionally, a release can be for something simple. For example, if you're a photographer or filming somewhere, intending to make direct profit from the sale of your work, and an individual is seen within the image or video, you may need them to sign a release form to relinquish their claims to your work. Other situations that may require a release form might be before participating in an extreme sport or otherwise dangerous activity, like consuming extremely hot peppers or bungee jumping. You may be asked to sign a liability release form so that you cannot sue the host and acknowledge that you understood the personal harm possible before participating. While there are so many other situations that might require a legal form, we hope this gave you an idea of what they are and why they're important. If you ever need to use legal form or documents or want to see if there is one applicable to your current or future situation, don't hesitate to visit us at uslegalforms.com. We'll be looking forward to helping you help yourself. That's it for this video. Check out other informative videos on our YouTube channel, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And join us on social media to join in on the conversation. Until next time.